Hi, to hard reset your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 active, as a first step, take your watch and make sure that the battery charge of your watch is greater than 20-30%. If the battery runs out of power during a reset, the watch may be damaged. So now we just need to press this side button to open the list of apps. Here, go in the settings, and after that, scroll a bit till you can see the system tab. And now we have several options. And to hard reset those watch, we would need to tap reset one and confirm that we are erasing all data. So we are basically bringing back our watch to their factory defaults. So now just press the blue check mark to confirm. And after that, your watch will turn off. Then within a couple of seconds, it will turn on again. And as you can see, it disconnected from the app as well for now. And now we need to set it up once more. So confirm pairing request and select language. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.